In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Salesforce package from a vendor-provided installation link. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top and paste in the package installation URL that was provided by the vendor. After pasting the link, press enter to load the page. This link will take you directly to the Salesforce package installation screen, so using the exact vendor-provided URL is important to make sure you are installing the correct package. When the page loads, Salesforce may prompt you to log in. At this stage, sign in to the target Salesforce environment where you want the package installed. This could be your production environment or a sandbox, depending on the vendor's instructions and your organization's deployment process. Make sure you are logging into the correct environment before continuing, because packages installed in the wrong org can create unnecessary extra work later. After you log in, Salesforce will display the package installation page. Here, you'll be asked to choose who can access the package contents. You'll typically see options such as install for admins only, install for all users, or install for specific profiles. Choose the option that best fits your organization's needs. If you want to limit access until testing is complete, installing for admins only is often a safe choice. If the package is ready for broader use, you can select all users or assign access to specific profiles based on your rollout plan. In some cases, Salesforce may also show a checkbox asking you to acknowledge that the package can access third-party websites. If that prompt appears, review it carefully, then check the box to confirm and continue. This step is common with packages that connect to external services, and it simply confirms that you understand those permissions. Once everything looks correct, click Install. Salesforce will begin deploying the package into your selected environment. The installation may